Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rank your Pinterest boards on first page on Google and in that way get organic traffic to your Pinterest page to get more followers, to get more reach, to get more free traffic from Pinterest to your blog, to your website, to your affiliate offer or whatever you want. So first thing you need to do, you need to create a Pinterest page in a broad niche and then you need to create a Pinterest board, but you can't just go and create any Pinterest board. You actually need to choose a good keyword. So for example, when I come here on Google and when I search here, for example, fruit platter, here I will see that on first position, when I scroll here you will see on first and actually on second position as well, there are Pinterest boards. So let me just open these boards in new tabs just to check them out. And here you can see Marianne Johnson created this board. And here you can see it is related to fruit platter, sorry about that. And here you can see she currently has 452 pins. And this second one created Hugh Gonzalez, 243 pins. And here you can see also fruit platters. But I can't just go and create Pinterest boards on random keywords. I actually need to do at least some research. So when I come here on Pinterest ads and when I search this keyword here you will see that fruit platter, actually there are no results for fruit platter, but for fruit platter ideas, there is between 100 and 500,000 searches every month on Pinterest. Fruit platter ideas, again, from 100 to 500,000 searches every month. So this looks like a good keyword, but I'm not targeting Pinterest. So what I need to do, I need to go on Ahrefs keyword generator and I need to research this keyword to see are there any searches on YouTube as on Google as well. And look at this, fruit platter, keyword difficulty only 1, which means I can easily rank on first page on Google, 10,000 searches every month on Google for this keyword. So this actually looks like a good keyword. So what you need to do, you ideally need to find a keyword where there is no other Pinterest boards on first page on Google. But how do you actually find good keywords? Well, what you can do is you can simply go on Pinterest trends. And then here you can see what is currently trending on Pinterest. And you can see are there any keywords that are in your own niche, that are related to your own Pinterest page, to your own Pinterest profile, okay? So for example, spring nails. When I click here, I can get more information about this trend here. And as you can see, this trend is currently growing and that actually makes sense because spring just came. And again, when summer comes, this trend will start going down. So it makes sense it is currently going up. So I need to find a good keyword because I'm guessing that competition for this keyword here, spring nails, is big and strong. So what I can do, I can simply copy this keyword here, Control C, and I can go back here on trends and then I can click here on keywords and I can paste that here, press enter, and now I can get more related keywords. And here, look at this, spring nails 2024 trends, spring nails 2024, cute spring nails, and so on and so on. So for example, let me just check this keyword here, spring nails 2024. And here I can get more information. As you can see, this trend is growing. Like I said, it makes sense because spring just started and it is a spring of 2024. Here I can get more information. So what I need to do, I need to to research this keyword here. Again, I will go on Pinterest ads to check out the search volume on Pinterest. And look at this, spring nails 2024, 5 million searches per month on Pinterest alone. So, but like I said, I don't really care for competition on Pinterest because I'm targeting Google. So again, I will go here on Ahrefs keyword generator and I will paste that keyword here, press enter to see can I actually rank my board here on Google. And look at this, spring nails 2024, keyword difficulty only 5, which means I can rank on first page on Google. 8,000 searches every month. So let me just go here on Google and to see are there any Pinterest boards on first page. I will paste that here, press enter, and look at this. On first position there is a Pinterest board. Let me scroll here. Also this is second, third, on fourth position as well. Like I said, ideally you will find keyword where there are no Pinterest boards on first page on Google. So let me just open this one here in new tab to check it out. I will close these boards here and look at this. This is 409 pins and these are all nails, spring nails. So what I need to do? I need to create a Pinterest board. And this is really important part of the video. It's actually most important part of the video, so pay close attention. So I will go here on Pinterest, I will click here on create, and then I'm going to upload some random image. Let's just say, for example, this image here. And then here where it says choose a board, I will click here, and then here I will click on create a board because I need to create a new board. And then here I need to add a name of this board, and this name has to contain my main keyword, and in this case it is Spring Nails 2024, because when we go back here, look at this, Spring Nails colors. This actually contains main keyword, and that is why this board is ranking on first page on Google. And after that I need to click here on create, and then I need to actually add a description of this board. So let me just go back here and let me just find my boards. So let me just find Spring Nails. I will click here on edit, and here I need to edit a description. I need to add a description, and same thing, description needs to contain my main and also my secondary keyword. That is really important because, like I said, when we come back here you can see Spring Nails. Description of this board contains main keyword, and that is exactly what you need to do. Name of your board and description of that board should contain your main keyword, okay? And after that you need to start repinning other people's pins, but you don't want to repin just any pins. When you scroll here, look at this. These guys here, they are actually repinning only pins that contains the main keyword, their main keyword, in this case Spring Nails, in the title and also in the description. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to start repinning only pins that contains title and description that contains your main keyword. Also, you need to start creating your own pins, and you need to start optimizing those pins. In this video, I explain to you how to optimize Pinterest pins. That is really important. And also, this is a tip for you. You should embed your pins and also your Pinterest boards wherever you can. On your blog, on your website, on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Threads, wherever you can, on related forums. The more backlinks you create to your Pinterest board, the better ranking that board will have on Google. Like I said, if you do a proper optimization of the title and the description of your board, and you build some backlinks and you embed that board on few websites, your board will rank on first page on Google. It will rank on first position on Google for that keyword. And when we go back here on Href, 8,000 people is searching this keyword every month on Google. You will start getting traffic, you will start getting followers, you will start getting more reach, and you will start getting more visits from Pinterest to your blog, to your website, to your affiliate offer, or wherever you wish to send traffic. Now, I know that this takes time, this takes work. I know it is boring, it is not easy to find good keywords where competition is not that big, it is not that strong, but that is something that you have to do if you wish to make money online. It is 2024, competition is big, it is strong. So this is how you make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2024. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.